Honors U.S. History students, here's our week preview. First and foremost, tomorrow, Thursday, hybrid students, you are eligible to come in, and then we make the schedule change. So here you can see the schedule change that I'm sure you've heard about. On Mondays and Thursdays, you'll be meeting with your first, second, and third period classes at 9, 10, and 11. And then at the same times, on Tuesdays and Fridays, you'll be meeting with your periods 4, 5, and 6 classes at 9, 10, and 11. So that's the way that it'll work. There are a number of things that we'll work through in this class. We'll be doing more teaching then on those days. We'll have an opportunity to cover some of those lessons together, which I think will be helpful in a way to stay connected. So that's the new schedule. In this week, it is a transition. So today, we should be taking 2 quizzes, and tomorrow, really. You have 2 days to do it. Take the timeline matching quiz, and then also take the Unit 2 Learning Check quiz. This is the first one of this unit. And it's about all the things that we've learned so far about the American system of government. Friday, there is no school. And then on Monday and Tuesday, those have been declared as transition days into the distance learning model. So this is a great time for you to make sure that you have your personal project contracts done and that you've completed through the 4th journal or so, and that you're in a position to really begin with that if you haven't. And this maybe offers an opportunity to start doing the work. That's where we're at with that. And if there are any questions, please let me know. Thank you.